Today, we'll show you how to quickly configure your device with our one cable. Follow our step-by-step instructions to explore our new configurator tool in FOTA web system. Once powered, the indicator light will shine. The device will automatically link to the configurator tool. Enter the configurator tool to view detailed device information, including system, GNSS, and GPRS data. You can see the detailed information when hovering over the targeted data and scrolling down to explore I/O status and additional settings. In basic settings, you can try loading from devices to get the previous one if necessary. You will see a pop-up notification when you operate successfully at every step. After making changes, click Save to Device to update them. A pop-up notification will confirm that the update succeeded. It also supports setting the same parameters for other devices. First, save the data to a file and keep it on your computer. Then, when you switch to the new device, the device status will change from disconnect to connected at the upper right corner of the page. Then, you can click Load from File, and the parameters will be automatically transferred to the new device. Finally, click Save to Devices. Besides, when you operate features like Reboot Device, Restore Factory, and Format Disk, a confirmation will appear before the process begins, and the device will connect automatically. We will introduce how to use the FOTA web platform to upgrade your device remotely. First, enter a valid email address as your login account, then click the bottom link to open the system. Enter the email address and the default password 000000, 6 zeros, which you can change later. On the homepage, please click File to upload the upgrade file, which our technical team will provide. If necessary, you can write a remark. The upload time depends on the file size and internet speed. Go to the FOTA page, Click Add Task, and select the target device. The system will identify devices linked to your email account. Select the uploaded file, click Save and Confirm to begin the upgrade. Check the upgrade status under Task. The page updates every 30 seconds and will display Succeed after the upgrade. In AI settings, you can configure or reset the AI algorithm parameters for ADAS and DMS features based on device functions. These parameters are linked to the information from the device info and basic settings sections. On this page you can adjust the bitrate and resolution for each video channel to optimize performance. It also supports retrieving logs when the device experiences abnormalities. You can save and send the logs to technical support for analysis.